Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now we want to do a comparison video on which manufacturer done it better on a rear living setup with a bedroom slide. Well, let's get started with this one. It is a 2026 Jayco Eagle 321 RSTS. Now the length on this Jayco Eagle is 35 feet 5 inches, dry weight is 10,845 with a hitch weight of 2,080, GVWR of 13,200 pounds. Now the cargo capacity is 2,355. Now the other one we're going to compare it to is the 2026 Grand Design Reflection, model number 337 RLS. Now the length on this Reflection is 35 feet 5 inches. The dry weight is 11,475 with a hitch weight of 2,475. GVWR of 13,995. Cargo capacity 2520.
So if you guys have watched this for any length of time, you are going to know that this rear living floor plan is our favorite floor plan. It's just our personal preference. So we thought, well, hey, let's just compare these two and see what these two manufacturers have to offer. Now we have done these both in the past, so this is going to be a really quick comparison. We're not going to go through and open absolutely everything like normal.
So let us know in the comments if you like these type of videos where we compare the same floor plans with what different manufacturers do to them.
Right. And I'm actually just tickled to death that they're right next to each other, so that makes it super simple. All right, so we'll start with the Eagle. And again, this is just going to be a real quick walk around. We're not going to go through a whole lot of details. So this is what your cargo area is going to look like. Nice big space there. Coming in, the Eagle is going to give you solid surface in the kitchen area. And this is a 26 model, so I don't know if we pointed all that out or not.
Yes.
But it is going to give you this table system here, theater seating, sofa here in the back that's going to make some additional sleeping. It's going to put you right in front of your entertainment center here with a fireplace. Being Jayco, your heating is going to be in the cabinetry. You do have your 3-burner cooktop with an oven, French style fridge.
With a pull-out freezer.
Yes. Hey, let's show them the pantry too, because we know pantries are important. So this is the pantry in the Jayco Eagle.
And they are adjustable.
Adjustable, and they have a light.
Yeah.
And then you've got this coffee bar here. Fuses are going to be right down there, easy to get to.
Yeah.
All right. Coming up through here. Now, the shower in the Eagle is nice size, gives you a skylight up front. Practically no step up, you just get over in it. There's antifreeze in it, so we hate to get in it.
I think that's a 48. Get my handy dandy tape measure. Yeah, it's 30 by 48.
Okay, 30 by 48. It is going to give you designated linen over here.
Yeah.
Porcelain foot flush toilet, mirror with a medicine cabinet, really great storage around you.
I do like how they give you the little drawer down here.
And then going into the main bedroom, Jayco gives you a king size bed here with your lights.
80.
Yep. Should be a 70 or a 72.
72.
72 by 80 king bed. And then they give you this wonderful wardrobe.
Oh, this is really cool.
Love Jayco's wardrobe storage. And of course it is prepped for washer and dryer. You've got those drawers down there.
And then you got
and then you have even
the
more
3
down
bank
here.
of drawers over here.
And it is prepped for a TV up there. And let's see, this one has 2 ACs, and it's prepped for a 3rd.
Ooh.
So, all right, so this is
And of course, Jayco being Jayco, they do the whisper quiet ACs.
Yes. All right. So
Wow.
this is the Jayco Eagle rear living. Okay. So that was the Jayco Eagle.
Now we know the Eagle does have a solar panel on top. We might try to take a look at both of those, the roof, when we get through with this one. So.
All right, so now this is going to be the Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS. And like I said, we're not going to do complete in depth. We're just going to kind of do a comparison here of the exterior storage. So you guys can tell us who you think did it better. Now coming in, and just like the Jayco, the Reflection is going to give you solid surface countertops. Really great size coffee bar storage over here. Island, you've got all this accent lighting. Now the table system is going to give you a freestanding table with 2 chairs and a bench that can be moved around as needed. Theater seating. You are going to have a sofa here at the back that will make additional sleeping. Just like the Jayco, your theater seating is going to be right in front of your entertainment center with a nice big fireplace. Your heating is going to be in the cabinetry.
Oh.
Here. And they do give you hidden pet bowls. Let's see. I know we showed you guys the pantry in the Jayco, so here is the pantry in the Grand Design. It is in a little different location. You do have the 3-burner cooktop. Now this one's going to give you the little more upgraded cooktop on this one. Now the Jayco had the French door fridge, and this one's going to give you a side-by-side.
And I think they're both like 18 cubic foot.
Yes, I think, yeah, overall they're the same size, just a little different style.
Mm-hmm.
This one is going to have 2 AC units. It is not going to be prepped for a third.
No. They do have the Furrion brand
Yes.
ACs.
All right. And then moving on in. I think this is going to be the same size.
Same size. It's going to be a 30 by 48 shower. Yeah.
Yeah, so the showers are going to be the same size in them. You are going to have mirrored medicine cabinet in both. Now, this Reflection is going to give you solid surface in here with some great storage underneath.
Well, the sink and all is molded.
Yeah, it's like a
all
molded one piece. It's
Yeah.
porcelain foot flush toilet. You do have designated linen storage and an exhaust fan. And then moving into the main bedroom. They are also going to give you a king size bed. Let's see what their dimensions are.
Yep, 72.
Okay, so
80 by
both
72.
of them are going to be an 80 by 72. You do have windows on both sides, lights up above. Now they are going to give you a sliding door closet with great shelves back there for your shoes. Really nice size closet. Washer and dryer prep.
Let me turn a light on.
Yeah. Over here. Now, a little bit different here at the foot of the bed. You do have a dresser, but they give you some storage up above, and then they put your TV backer over there. Personally, I would probably just set it out here.
Yeah,
And
that's
so that's going to be some of the differences. There's your second AC. So for just a quick walkthrough comparing these rear living models, let's go right back out here so we can show you the back of them and tell us what you think. Who do you think did it best. Now, like I said, we are an absolute sucker for rear living floor plans. We love them. Towing's going to be the same. They're going to have up to 3,000 pounds on them. They're both going to have ladders. They're both going to be prepped for backup cameras. So guys, the ball is in your court. You tell us what you think.
I'm going to take a look at the roof.
Ah, okay. Yeah, now the Eagle has got a TPO.
Up here on the roof, both are going to have a one-piece TPO roof. You see the 370 watt solar on the Grand Design, the Furrion air conditioners, and over here on the Jayco, you can see they have a solar panel over there and 2 Coleman Mach ACs. All right, everybody. All right, everybody. So there's our comparison video. If you like these videos, let us know in the comments that you like this, and we'll try some more. Maybe with some travel trailers and maybe with some toy haulers. All right, everybody. Anything extra?
Once again, if you need some liquefied, look down in our link below. We'll have that where you can just click on it. We'll get you a 20% coupon. And hey, both of these great units are at Great American in Sherman, Mississippi, just outside of Tupelo. So if you want to come look at them and compare them yourself, they'll be happy to help you out.
All right, everybody. If you like these videos, we'll keep doing them. And if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody. All right, everybody. Keep it. I choked on air.